Imagine sweating less and sculpting more. How? Stick around to find out the secret to a full body transformation in just 20 minutes. Ready to feel the burn and see the results? Let's dive in. We kick off with the ultimate warm-up, jumping jacks. Feel the energy surge as you jump and jack your way to a fired-up body. Just 2 minutes and you're primed for action. Jump higher, push harder, and feel that heart rate climb. Now, onto the plank with a twist, literally. Engage those abs and obliques with this core chiseling move. Can you feel the burn yet? Hold on, it's just getting started. Keep those hips steady and twist side to side. The more you twist, the more you sculpt. Up next, it's squats. But not just any squats. We're talking pulse squats. Feel your thighs and glutes scream for mercy as you pulse your way to perfection. Stay low, stay strong, and embrace the shake. Now add a jump at the end of each pulse for that extra burn. Time to get those arms involved. Push-ups are the name of the game, but here's the twist. Slow and steady wins this race. Lower down for a count of 3 and push up like a boss. Feel the power in every rep. Now switch to tricep push-ups to target those tricky spots. Flip over for some bicycle crunches. Pedal your way to rock-hard abs. Feel the twist and squeeze, and imagine those love handles melting away. Speed it up for a cardio boost, then slow it down to intensify the squeeze. Stand up and let's hit those lunges. Alternating lunges with a kick to keep things interesting. Each step is a step closer to those toned legs and glutes. Keep moving, keep kicking. Now add a knee drive after each lunge for that extra core engagement. Let's take it up a notch with burpees, the ultimate full body move. Jump, squat, plank, push up, and repeat. Feel the heart race and the calories burn. It's intense, but you're tougher. Now add a tuck jump at the end for maximum intensity. Back to the mat for some Russian twists. Sit up, twist, and touch. Each twist is a ticket to a tighter midsection. Can you feel that waistline shrinking? Now hold a weight for added resistance and twist slower for a deeper burn. Now dead bugs. Lie on your back. Extend opposite arm and leg and switch. It's like patting your head and rubbing your belly, but for your core. Coordination and strength in one move. Add a pause at the top for extra core engagement. Get up for high knees. Run in place, but bring those knees up to hip level. Pump those arms and feel the cardio magic working. This is how we melt fat fast. Now speed it up for a sprint finish. Mountain climbers are next. Hands on the floor. Drive your knees to your chest like you're scaling Everest. Fast, faster, and faster still. This is how you push your limits. Now add a twist by driving your knees towards opposite elbows. Back to basics with some classic sit-ups. Old school but gold school. Up and down, feel each vertebra touch the mat, then peel off again. Now hold at the top for a count of 3 and feel that core engagement intensify. Time for some leg raises. Lie flat, lift those legs up and lower them slowly. Don't let them touch the ground. This is where abs of steel are made. Now add a hip lift at the top for that extra lower ab burn. Switch it up with side planks. Hold steady on one side, then switch. Feel the obliques working hard to keep you straight and strong. Now add a dip with your hips for a deeper oblique workout. Back to your feet for some skaters. Side to side jump and land softly. Feel the burn in your legs and the boost in your heart rate. Add a reach to the floor for a full body workout. Drop to the floor for Superman lifts. Lie on your stomach. Lift your arms and legs simultaneously. Hold and squeeze, then release. Strengthen that lower back and feel like a superhero. Add a pulse at the top for an extra challenge. Stand up for some standing crunches. Hands behind your head. Crunch side to side. Engage your obliques and feel the burn. Add a knee lift with each crunch for a full body move. Let's hit those calves with calf raises. Up and down, feel the squeeze. Now add a hold at the top and pulse for maximum burn. Back to some classic plank variations. Start with the standard plank, then move to plank jacks. Jump your feet out and in while maintaining that strong core. Finish with a plank reach, extending opposite arm and leg for a dynamic twist. Finish strong with a cool down stretch. Reach high, touch your toes, twist gently. Feel the stretch, relish the cool down. You've earned it. You just smashed a 20-minute full body workout. Sculpted, toned, and ready to take on the world. Repeat this routine and watch your body transform.